Today I'm going to be revamping some leftover fries into some delicious and tasty chips masala. So I'm going to be using several ingredients, and you'll always find the ingredients in the description box down below. So I'm going to start off by placing a pan over high flame, add cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to be adding in 1 onion, garlic and ginger, and some leek. Cook the onions, garlic and ginger together with the leek until soft. I love adding leek to my food because it adds a very distinct flavor to my food. So I hope you'll be adding some as you make the chips masala. No need to brown your onions. So when the onions are soft, I'm going to be adding in 3 blended tomatoes. You can also grate. As the tomatoes are cooking, I'm also going to be adding some spices. Stir in everything together. Season with some salt. You need the chips masala to be very well seasoned so that it can be delicious. Cook the tomatoes for about a minute so that all the nice flavors can be absorbed into the tomatoes from the spices. To balance out the acidity in the tomatoes, I'm going to be adding in a pinch of sugar. Stir in the sugar. When the tomatoes are ready, I'm going to add back my fries. Reduce the flames to low. Coat the chips or fries with the tomato sauce. Once the chips or fries are coated with the tomatoes, I'm going to add in some green capsicum, stir in. Check out my chips masala. They're smelling so awesome and look very delicious already. A quick tip for you, don't add any water to the chips masala, because if you add some water, the chips are going to turn out mushy because they'll absorb the water. So fry the chips masala as it is, just lower the flame and you'll be good to go. So I'll fry this for about a minute. Because my fries are already cooked, I'm just preheating the chips. Let's look at my chips masala. Lastly, I'll be garnishing with some coriander. Once the chips masala is ready, I'm going to turn off the heat and serve myself some. This is how you revamp your boring fries and make some amazing dish. This recipe is worth trying because the chips masala is very well flavored and seasoned, and it's looking so good and so delicious. So I bet you're going to try out this recipe. So it's been an amazing 10 minutes and everything is cooked to perfection, and I absolutely love the outcome.